What's up, Move Crew? My name is Jason, and welcome to Next Move Crew. Every day is a new move, a new thing to learn, a new challenge to try, a new adventure to have. Today we're going to be spending the day at Universal Studios Hollywood, so come spend the day with me. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! Trophies! I can't. Those are people minions. Look at this Fast and Furious. Look at these cool cars. That is gonna win, or that is gonna win. I would say both of them are gonna win. I think it's gonna be a tie. Look at that car over there. I think they're all gonna win. This is cool. We're heading to the tram. Bye, Fast and Furious. Wow, look, there's donuts. I would like a donut. Hot dog house. There's Krusty the Clown. We're gonna go down the escalator. Let's go. We had fun on the escalator. Now this is the studio tour. It feels like I'm on a plane right now.
Thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island, and it's great to have you along for the ride. We're about to return to Skull Island.
That's right, folks. We are about to return to the island. I do need you all to please stay in your seats, holding on to all your personal belongings. You are allowed to record while we're in there, but I do have to ask, please no flash photography. Honestly, it will look better without it, and out of consideration of all the guests that are around you.
Run. Run. Water. Run. Not again.
It does look
Not
like a
again.
normal everyday subway platform.
I think this is going to be becoming water.
Like a San Francisco subway
Yeah.
station. All of these details. Whoa. All right, no, this is not my fault. This is San Andreas' fault. He's not in the boat because I see a fin. I see a fin. Hang on, I'll try to get him on the radio.
That's a real shark.
Hey, George, you got a copy of me, brother? Where you at? George, you're not responding. Where are you, sir? You're not here because you're
Why would
in the
you
water.
swim
Okay, you need to
if
go to
there's
your
a
right,
shark?
George. Seriously. George, you're not alone, please. George. One day before retirement, too. Look at that.
Is that a real person?
Okay, why do you have a fruit punch pack? I'm not sure why anybody would do fruit punch in scuba, but alright, that's a motivation.
Okay, so now we're going into the Krusty Land to see what the ride is all about. So The Simpsons is something I used to watch all the time as a kid. So now we're going into Krusty Land and to Krusty's Village. And we're right over here by the new ride, Fast and the Furious, is coming out this summer later on. So we definitely going to see what's that about. So we're going to see if it's a thumbs up or thumbs down with Krusty right now. So I think it's going to be a thumbs up. And JJ, you think it's going to be a what?
I think it's going to be a thumbs side.
So we're going to see after and give our quote and give to see like what we think that high is going to be. All right, until next time, Move Crew is on the move.
And look at the Fast and Furious ride.
All right, so we're gonna go in here and see how the ride is, okay?
Now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield Penitentiary. This is where we
Alright, JJ, what do you think? A thumbs up or thumbs down for the Krusty ride? Was it good?
Yes, 2 thumbs up.
I'm giving 2 thumbs up.
I got 5.
Alright, 2 thumbs up for Krusty.
Now, before we get Juliet back, I want to know, does anyone have any questions for me about Juliet or any dinosaur you're interacting with?
Where's Blue?
Where's Blue?
Where's Blue?
Where's Blue? So if you guys want to see Blue, she'll be coming out 4:30 or 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock. That says 4:30. She's going to be out sooner at 4 o'clock. So if you guys...
I'm guessing you did it. It's lost.
66 minutes.
Yes, goodbye. Happy whatever you call it.
So, we're gonna be on the hunt, and we're gonna be leaving soon. And just to remember, it is my video, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Today's gonna be a good day. See this? The smoke? See it? And look at the lights on the tree. Wow, that's cool. Wanna go see it? Here. See? We also got the University of Holland sign and ET and all that. See? Let me put the camera up so I can see. Well, we also got the hotels and stuff over there. Universal Studios sign that says Universal Studios Hollywood. Come check it out. And we're almost done.